guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shanli and finally here is your winter styling ideas second part. So I hope you really enjoyed the first part. If you haven't watched it till now, just go and check it out. Link is given in my description box. Will explain in second part also the variations, the variety of styles, each and everything. So I hope you will enjoy this part also and let's get started.
So for our very first style, I'm using this white color rib pattern high neck, which I'm gonna pair up with this tricolor loose pattern trouser, which has light purple, light pink and white color shades. You can pair up with black trouser also. You are using black blazer, but since I'm gonna use here purple white checked blazer, so here I'm using purple shade trouser. You can use white also, but it won't give that cool look, so I'm not using white trouser. So instead of white, I'm using this purple shade trouser. So as I said, here I'm using this purple white checked blazer. It's not that warm, but since here we have two layers, one is this high neck and second one is our blazer, so it's giving quite warm feel. This check pattern is giving quite formal look, so if you have purple shade formal trouser, you can use that also to get complete formal look. Here I am using this purple shade musical earrings, but if you want to get complete formal look, you can use white purple shade tops or big hoops. Oh my god, this complete look is looking so purple, so beautiful. You can carry this look for your outings, for your college and for your lunch date also. It will give quite classy, decent and beautiful look. And if you are using formal trouser, then you are all set for your office look also. For our second look, I am again using this white ribbed high neck, but this time I am gonna pair it with this red flared mini skirt. To avoid cold, I am using this black color leggings. And if you have noticed, here I am using this white pearl chain earrings. And this look is so beautiful, decent and looking quite formal, so you can carry this again for your outings, for your college, your classes. For teenagers, it's a perfect look in winters. This look is simple at the same time classy and decent also. And if you have watched Mohabbat movie, then you will know that Raghukul students look. It was similar. To complete the look, I am using this red color puff sleeved formal blazer, which is completing Raghukul student look. But also not only the Raghukul students, you can carry this for your outings, your colleges, your classes, especially for teenagers. It's a perfect look, and it's not only for teenagers. After 20 also you can carry this look for your outings, to hang out with your friends, your boyfriend. Looks are only decent until unless you have not added your sprinkle of sexiness. To complete the look, we have only left with the boots. So here I am using this red color boots. You can use black color boots also, but it's giving perfect matching and also quite smooth with the look. So I am using this red color boots. This final look is perfect for classes and office look also. When it comes to our third look, I have modified our second look only. So here I am using black ribbed high neck instead of white ribbed high neck. This look is also looking quite classy. Earrings also I am using same, but you can use golden hoops also and golden tops also. With white high neck it was looking quite classy, and with black high neck it is looking quite sexy. So totally depends on you on what occasion you gonna carry this look. You are going for your office, classes, college, and for your date. It's totally depend on you which look you are carrying. And here I am using this love earrings to add a sprinkle of sexiness. So this look is quite perfect for your lunch date. And here I am using this beige color fur scarf to make our look more classy and more sexy. You can carry this scarf in any way, in this simple way, or you can gonna fold it or any way you want. If there is not much cold, only high neck and scarf is enough. So to complete the look, you can add here this black and golden belt to get a party look. So with this look, you are all set for your party mood. And this glittery red love earring is perfect for your party mood. And here I am again using this red color blazer, and this complete look is giving quite warm feeling. As I already told, here I am using this golden color tops, which is looking quite classy and making our look perfect. And I have again modified our look. So I have changed the skirt. Instead of skirt, I am using this beige color cheetah print trouser, and I have changed this scarf pattern also. So this complete look is quite looking more classy and more sexy. But this time, instead of red boots, I am using this black color boots because it is looking more pretty with this complete look, and it's quite giving perfect classy look. So for our next style, I am using this big cheetah print woolen coat, which is so soft, so smooth, and quite giving smooth feeling and warm feeling also at the same time. You can carry this look if you are going to the hill station to celebrate your holidays. It will be very smooth, soft, and classy look. These golden tops with this look is really looking like cherry on the ice. So for our next look, I'm using this pink color turtleneck rib pattern t-shirt which I'm gonna pair up with the denims. So here I'm using this denim jacket. Also I have paired this with this golden chain which is quite giving chunky look, and also I'm gonna pair it with the denim jeans only. So here is my complete look. You can carry this look for outings, for college if you are not using jewelry, and for birthday parties also. And I am using here black color boots to complete the look. Since denim gives quite cool look, so here I am changing my earrings. I'm using this love you earrings which is super cool and adding a sparkle in this complete cool look. For our last look, I'm using this puff sleeve beige color full sleeve tops. Which I'm pairing with this denim long skirt which is giving quite beautiful and elegant look. You can carry this look for your outings, for your college also, and for your party look also if you add some required jewelries. So here I am using this red color boots and red color belt to give a little red sparkle to the look. Since I am adding a little red touch in the look, so again I am using this red glittery sparkle love earrings which is completing our red sparkle to the complete look. So this is our final look, and this is our last look also for the second part. So this was the last but not the least, and I hope you really enjoyed the video, all the look. I have tried to cover a lot of variations. Hope you love it.
Hey guys, hope you really enjoyed the video. If you haven't watched first part, then go and check it out. Link is given in my description box so that you will get a huge idea about styling in winter season. I hope these two videos are more than enough for this winter season. For next winter season, I will again come up with new styling ideas. And I know people usually change the top, but I was changing bottom usually. तो और मैंने हाई नेक का बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ किया है पूरे स्टाइल्स में, बिकॉज I really love the high necks and it really gives classy looks. It's evergreen, आप कभी भी कैरी कर सकते हो, कहीं भी कैरी कर सकते हो. एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, आपको पता चल गया होगा कि हाई नेक के साथ हम कितने सारे स्टाइल्स कैरी कर सकते हैं, कैसे उसको डिफरेंट चीज़ों के साथ पेयर करके लुक्स बना सकते हैं, लुक्स कैरी कर सकते हैं. So I hope you really love the video. And any suggestion for me, then you can write in the comment. I will love to read that. Or you want me to upload next video about what topic, that also you can mention in the comment. I'll read that and I'll try to make the video. For the next video मैंने अभी तक कोई टॉपिक नहीं सोचा है. So if you have any suggestions, please mention in the comment, or you can can come on the Insta. My ID is SHYAMLYBNDIN19 Shamli Bandil Painting. So you can come on Insta. You can give me suggestions there as well. I love to read them. And if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, then what are you waiting for? जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करना ना भूलिएगा ताकि कोई भी वीडियो मिस ना करें. And don't forget to like my video, share my video, and if you really have any suggestion for me, mention in the comment. I will. Till then, bye bye.